how to edit PDF on Photoshop. So I'm provide full guide. Simply press on to file and open to PDF. As you can see, showing it to my PDF file. Just open. At first time open PDF image. Press on to open. Select page or image or 3D. You can select image and press OK. As you can see, showing it to PDF image, and you can easily edit easily. And again open PDF text, open, press on to open, showing it to pages. Select to page 1 and 2, Control plus select to page, press on OK. As you can see, showing it to PDF page, and you can easily edit from here easily. Once complete, you can save again as to PDF. Okay, save as to PDF. So that's it.